Today we're checking out this FarmRich boneless chicken bites with barbecue sauce. They're looking pretty good on the box there. Let's see how they look in my mouth.
Nice.
Alright, well, there's the barbecue sauce. Looking good. Alright, we already cooked them in the oven here for 17 minutes. They all came out pretty good, except for the small ones. They're pretty crunchy. Oh yeah. But the bigger ones, they're good. Kind of crunchy, not too bad. They're not like as hard as a rock, like me. Alright. So here they are, over here. Yeah, those look saucy. Oh God, girl. Alright, let's try some of this. Here, get me in this video. Oh.
Pretty tasty, right?
They're fucking delicious. Very good.